Hey, Megan here for a little quilting video. I am going to show you how to do a magic square, half square triangle. Super easy. I'm using a 6-inch piece of paper as my little template, and I'm using a rotary cutter and a cutting mat. I'm not even using the ruler on the cutting mat. I'm just using my paper template to get 6-inch squares cut out of this fabric. You're going to want to do that. I'm using white cotton for one piece, and then the second piece should be like a contrasting, maybe darker. Mine isn't super dark. Anything really contrasts with white, I suppose. But it looks really cool if you use white and another fabric. So again, I'm just doing the cutting it into a 6-inch square. I'm not the best with a rotary cutter. I probably do better with scissors, but trying to do what quilters do. And there you've got that. Then get all those scraps out of the way, and we're going to put the two pieces right sides together. And then take that ruler and draw lightly. I used a pen because it's what was there, but maybe use a pencil. And just draw an X from corner to corner, and then another line from the other corner to corner. You've got an X. Bring it over to that sewing machine. I've got nothing special going on in my sewing machine. I literally just have the foot that was on there. I'm using the presser foot to sew along the line. So the left edge of my presser foot is sewing along the X that I made to sew this little triangle. I am back stitching at the beginning and the end. And because of where my needle position is on the machine right now, the seam allowance is about 1/4 inch. I just, it's nothing exact, but it's pretty close to that line. And just because of the way the foot is set up, I'm doing that 1/4 inch seam allowance. So I'm doing that on each section of that X until I've got all those triangles sewn. Now I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm just going to cut on the line. So it's going to cut it into 4 equal triangle pieces, just like I'm doing right here. And then once you've got those 4 triangle pieces, you are going to grab that rotary cutter again and the ruler and slice them in half. And I use the straight edge of the ruler up on that top straight edge. I kind of just eyeballed it on the first one, but that one I realized I should show you, lining up with the top of the ruler down to the point of the triangle. I guess that one I just use the line. Okay. All right, so now you've got 8 pieces. Now you've got to iron open those 1/4 inch seam allowances, which is not my favorite thing in the whole world, but I struggled through it. 1/4 seam allowances, it's kind of small. Anyway, I did it. Magic of video. Here they are. You've got your 8 half square triangles. They're super cute, sewn together. You can do all kinds of things to sort of mix and match what you're going to do with them. I don't know what I've got going on here. I'm just sort of playing around. Oh, making a little diamond in the middle. Oh, well, maybe. That's kind of messed up. I don't know what's happening over here, but just showing you how versatile it can be to set it up. That's hilarious that I don't have the one right. Oh, there. Now I do. Okay, so there you go. Fun stuff. Sew them together. Oh, I'm going to keep going. What else? Oh, there we go. Okay, perfect. And that's half square triangles. Thanks for watching.